Desai here. Welcome back to my channel on health and fitness. Right now I'm sitting in this beautiful fruit shop that's owned by my friend Jay, who I have befriended during my stay in Mysore. Jay and his family have been helping me with a number of things to make my stay as sweet as possible. From providing me with nourishing, healing, seasonal fruits like papaya, mangoes, yes, mangoes are still available, that Neelam variety at a few select places. Bananas, fresh tomatoes, and fresh salads, to taking me to places I would not have gone on my own, to giving me quality time to make sure that I don't feel lost or lonely in this place. So, ever so grateful to them. Today is a holiday. I'm here to continue my ongoing journey into Ashtanga Yoga. Today being Saturday, it's a day off. Usually, after the practice is over, I go to the coconut vendor to have my coconut as my first meal, and then I come here and I have this green juice. This green juice is elixir of life, and she puts all the leafy greens like spinach, cucumber, cilantro. Then there is a plant called Brahmi. Brahmi. So Brahmi is renowned for enhancing your memory power. So I can't have a better start to my day. And this sets me up for the activities of the day. And this is my fourth visit here to Mysore. Every time I have come here, I have felt like I'm living out a dream, and it has left me with a feeling that I want to extend my stay. Ashtanga Yoga, and for the past 7 years or so, I have been following high fruit, raw food diet lifestyle, and it has transformed my life. It's the best thing I've ever done in my life. I have got rid of all of my health issues. There was a time when after a meal I would want to crash, or I felt like I needed a nap. I felt sluggish, lethargic, out of sorts. But now after a meal, I just don't want to lie down. I just don't want to take it easy. I want to get more active. I feel so amazing. I can't tell you. My energy is almost always to the roof. And that is my top reason, one of the key reasons why I switched to this lifestyle is healing. I wanted to gain more strength and I wanted to feel more vibrant. And it has delivered me like nothing else in the world. So I recommend this high fruit, raw food lifestyle big time. I cannot recommend it enough, because this is, the fruits give you the perfect plant water. We thrive on plant water. So it's 100 times more potent than that ordinary tap water. In fact, tap water is very toxic because it comes through pipes, and the pipes have developed mold and fungus. So spring water is what we need to drink. Unfortunately, we all cannot have an access to spring water. So the best thing to do is to eat your water. Instead of drinking it, eat your water. Then you will not be required to drink so much water. So this is the best start to the day. And then for lunch, it has always been fruits. And here it's so easy to find papaya, apples, oranges, and mangoes and bananas. And these varieties are locally sourced. So I prefer to eat as much local as I possibly can. Yeah. Can you see this is fresh guava?
Yeah.
It's locally sourced.
Yeah, locally.
Yeah. And
Orange.
this is an orange. And show me avocado. Yeah, I forgot avocado.
Yeah, it's avocado. Yeah.
Look at this. This can beat any imported ones hollow.
Pineapple.
This is grown here, and it is so fresh. And just some time back, he was showing me an apple from Simla, which has no wax, because all the imported ones that you get, even the Indian ones, sometimes you get wax, and If you are eating those apples, so make sure that you remove the skin before eating them, because skin is the area that collects maximum wax.
Mango.
Look at this mango, look at the size. And this is seasonal, this is grown here. It's not imported or it hasn't come from any other place.
And pear.
See, it's got so many fruits. Pomegranate. This is also grown here, Jai?
Yeah. Pomegranates are here.
Yeah.
This red,
And
red banana, red banana.
yeah, look at this red banana. This is my all-time favorite. Look at this variety. This is the real deal.
Yes, sir.
When you get to eat fruits like this, you don't want to even look at cooked foods, which are anyway very toxic.
This is called Nanjangud Rasbana.
This is Nanjangud. This variety is known as Nanjangud, very famous here. And this is sold at a premium price. This is way more expensive than the regular ones, because there is more nutrition in this, and it's very diabetes friendly. So you can see I'm in heaven. I mean, compared to a noisy, chaotic place like Mumbai, this place like absolute paradise. Can't get better than this.
Yeah.
And
Papaya chura. It's okay.
sorry, oops.
Papaya.
Look at this papaya, pineapple. I mean, you can get the whole fruit market here. And look at how tastefully he has done up the place.
And
It's
grapes.
been a painstaking effort. These are the grapes. He's bringing one
Plum.
fruit after another. These are plums. Plums are in season right now. I like to eat fruits that are in season. That's the best way to eat fruits. Okay, I would like to talk a little bit about my upcoming retreat. I'm holding a retreat in Nainital in Sri Aurobindo Ashram from 28th of September to 27th September. I'm going to be holding this retreat with a Buddhist monk, Lamaji Yesh De Rabki, who is a Britisher and who has spent last 25 years in India doing some phenomenal work. He has single-handedly raised 7 children coming from impoverished backgrounds. And he's going to be teaching Buddhist meditation, and I'm going to be teaching Tai Chi. So this is going to be a week-long retreat, and this is once in a lifetime opportunity. So if you are interested, I will be putting all the details in the description box. So you can please approach me, and I will give you all the necessary details. But this is going to be like the event of your life. It will help you to the Buddhist meditation will help you develop more kindness, forgiveness. You know, you will learn to be more accepting of yourself, and I will be teaching you authentic Tai Chi that I have directly learned from the Chinese grandmaster, staying in the historic Chen village, and I've also trained with Grandmaster Chen Zhonghua, who teaches practical method Chen style Tai Chi. So you have so much to look forward to in the coming weeks. So if you are interested, I highly recommend this retreat, and can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much. Namaste everyone.
Wanderlust also. Sir, name you didn't recommend.